Ich wünsche euch einen schönen guten Abend. Heute hat der Florian gesagt, ach, Kirmes, 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 was wird das schön. Und womit fängt jede gute Kirmes an? Mit einem schönen, schwofigen Song. Heute hier für euch von Albert Hammond, It Never Rains in Southern California. Ich wünsche euch viel Spaß. Got on board the westbound 747. Didn't think before deciding what to do. All that talk of opportunities, TV breaks and movies rang true, sure rang true. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I often heard that kind of talk before. It never rains in California, but girls, don't they warn ya? It pours, so man, it pours. Out of work, I'm out of my head. Out of self-respect, I'm out of bread. I'm underloved, I'm underfed. I wanna go home. It never rains in California, but girls, don't they warn ya? It pours, oh man, it pours. Will you tell the folks back home I nearly made it? Head office, but don't know which one to take. Please don't tell them how you found me. Don't tell them how you found me. Give me a break. Give me a break. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I often heard that kind of talk no more. It never rains in California, but girls, don't they warn ya? It pours, so man, it pours. It seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I often heard that kind of talk before. It never rains in California, but girls, don't they warn ya? It pours, oh man, it pours. Einen schönen guten Abend. Bis bald. Tschüss.